Hey you guys, the products you will need to achieve this project are 2 white foam boards, string lights. You can get them from Amazon or your local craft store. I got mine from my Christmas tree. Also 5 greenery garland leaves that I purchased from my local Hobby Lobby. I got 5 of them, and also some extra flowers that were in the same section as well. Hobby Lobby was having all plant decor for 50% off, so this project will cost you less than $50. Picked up the nearest tape that I seen. You can use clear tape, duct tape, or whatever you think will tie these 2 boards together. And as you can see, my nephew and my cousin wanted to help so bad. So I kind of let them cut a little few things, just help me with this project a little bit. So I'm going to be taking the first pair of leaves and spreading them out, but also I got 1 board from Family Dollar and 1 board from Kroger, so they were a little bit off in measurement, so I did have to cut it off. And don't forget to take that sticker off on your board so it won't be visible when you put your plants and stuff on there. And also I would recommend to use more of like a neutral or clear tape, just in case the flowers or the leaves does not cover the tape in the middle of the board of you connecting them. You will need a hot glue gun to glue down the leaves. I was doing it the hard way at first. I feel like I was going through my glue gun extra fast by placing the glue on the board first and then going along and patting the leaves down. So I wouldn't recommend doing it this way because 1, you are going to burn your finger, and 2, you're just wasting a lot of. So instead I placed the glue on the leaves and just place the leaves face down where I placed the glue on the foam board, and I did that throughout the entire project. It was a little bit more easier for me. This is how the board is coming along.
Wow!
These are the only 2 pieces left I have for the grass, and then I have these daisies, a few of the roses that I'm going to take apart and put in the corner, and then these that I might like set on top of it. I'm gonna take. Wait, be quiet, Ashley. Quiet game, real quick. So I might cut this part of the flower and just stick them inside. Instead of gluing down the leaves on the flowers, I would actually cut all the flowers off the stem and just lay the leaves down, because it was a little hard to get the leaves to get the flowers to lay flat and actually show the leaves because of the thick stem that was underneath the flower. So I would recommend to cut the flowers off the stem first and just place them around in these sparse areas inside your flower wall, just so you can make it a little bit more full, because you still need those leaves to cover up the entire whiteboard. So as you can see, I am cutting all the flowers off of the stem, and I'm going to do that with all of the flower sets that I got, and you will see me placing them all over the board. So I was left with a little bit of openness at the bottom, just because, like I said, I should have never just laid that flower down without cutting the flowers off. So there are a little bit of places with holes in them, but I'm going to place the stem of it and insert them in like that little hook. And also for extra security, you can always tape it down or hot glue it down, but this worked out because I'm not moving around too much. So let's see the finished touches. Okay y'all, so it is the next day. As you can see, I finished my board. I have placed all of my roses in place. Some of them I just stuck in there, some of them are taped, some of them are glued, but as long as they secure, it is fine. I put my lights on here. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me turn my ring light off. I had some string lights that I kind of just placed and intertwined in between the leaves. and they stuck on its own. End up taping the actual thing to turn off the string lights to the back of the board. So wherever the string light started, I placed it at the top, and then wherever the string light stopped, that's where I taped it in the back. I got these from Kroger, and I bought these just because I am staying in the Airbnb and I don't want to place any holes on their wall. And these, so happenly, you can just place it on there and then stretch it down and they'll come right off with no problems. I'm gonna just poke 2 holes on each side of my board to hook it on there. Hopefully it turns out right. If it don't, it don't. But thank you guys for watching this video. If y'all would want to see more DIY videos, just comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to see more spontaneous things on my channel. If you are not already following my vlog channel, make sure you guys go follow my vlog channel as well, being that it does involve like motivational, lifestyle, and personal development within your business and your lifestyle, which I kind of just said. But without any further ado, I'm going to end this video, and thank y'all for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. I should see y'all soon. Bye guys.